So here we are. We just got Kevin's. We're returning the Ryder truck, our Penske truck, and this camera phone's kind of sucks. But Kevin's car is inside those gates, and he's returning the truck, and he can't get his car back. So right now, Kevin is calling the company.
Hi there. Yeah, I am down in Seattle at the First Avenue South location, and your gates are closed, and my car is inside, and I would like my car out, and I'd like to return the truck. Yeah. Yeah, 3443 First Avenue South. Thank you. Different manhole.
So that's it. I don't know how long it's going to be to Kevin gets his car back. But he's giving me a ride home, and I don't even got my bicycle, so we may be here for a while. Yeah, I'm fucked.